Guys, good morning. Today we have something that I've been waiting for so long to finally do, but we are installing a front lip onto the Legacy GT. Now this is a 06, 07 STI front lip. It's basically a Hawkeye front lip. I got it off eBay. Honestly, I didn't spend a lot of money for it. It was like 70 bucks, but we're going to see if we can mock it up to the Legacy now. I took my license plate relocator off. That's all I really did. Everything's still wrapped. It's wrapped up. It's the CS style, so it has a little like lip right here. It's just going to be secured by some self-tapping screws. So we're going to unwrap this now and start installing. I'm pretty psyched. I've been waiting for this lip for a while now, so hopefully it fits. Alright guys, so the lip is on. I had to take the entire bumper off to do this. I would recommend taking your bumper off and doing it upside down. I'm going to flip it right now to show you guys. Alright, so as you guys know, these lips aren't meant for our car. So if you guys can, I would take off your bumper and flip it and do it upside down. Because it's almost impossible to line this up like while it's on the car. So I take it off. They're all just held in by zippies. I just zippied it into place. All the way around, boom, 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 bunch of random zippies. And now we're gonna put it on the car, and hopefully it looks good. Let's do it. Okay, so the front lip is on. I don't know if you guys can see it with this shadow right here. Hi puppy! Let the puppy! Oh, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna pull it out and get like better shots of it, but this is what it looks like now. Oh my god, she looks so good. So here's the front lip. Here's a better view of it without any shadows. It's straight on. There's not really any crazy gaps underneath. I know that's like a common problem with doing these, is having like a gap. But I think it looks pretty good. But I'm pretty happy with it. I've been wanting this lip for a long time, so I'm happy I finally got it. But my only pet peeve is like this. So like I wish it would just sit like that instead of like folding in to the side. If it would just sit more like that, that'd be better. But I like it. It's good. But I jumped in the car because there was so much wind. You guys probably could not hear me even if I was to do an outro. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have any questions about doing these lips, let me know, because I know like it's been done on these cars to use this kind of lip on these cars, but there's like some modifications you kind of need to do. I'm probably going to take a heat gun to this and warp the sides so they stay a little straighter. But overall I think it came out pretty good. Definitely recommend taking up your bumper and doing it upside down, because doing it on the floor is just a pain in the ass. It's like impossible to line up. Or I thought it was. Yeah guys, I know this video was kind of a little bit on the shorter side, but I wanted to get a video guys out for you. I have something else coming next week that should be cool, that you guys will enjoy. Pretty psyched. The lip is finally on. I've been waiting for a front lip for so long. I finally pulled the trigger on it. Finally got it. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one.